Good afternoon, Jackson. In this video, we're going to cover how to upload content to the Jackson website, to the new Easypost system. So I'm going to try to buzz through this pretty quick so you can watch it multiple times. As you'll notice here, I went to the jacksonr2schools.com to the district homepage, and this is kind of what it looks like. One of the questions that I had come up was about updating the newsletter, and I think this is going to be pretty similar across the board as far as a lot of different information that you're going to upload to the website. So if you go to East Elementary, I'm going to just use this as an example. I'm going to go to information and newsletter. So here you'll see basically we've got the March and the January newsletters, and if you click on both of those are hyperlinked. So when I'm in Easypost, and I'm going to pull this over, so I have logged into Easypost, and you go to the website, jacksonr2schools.com/easypost, and it'll ask you to log in. I'm already logged in, but the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to upload your content or your file. So if you go to media, again, we just uploaded a PDF to the March newsletter. Here's an example, and one thing too that I want to point out is please make sure that you're descriptive in your naming of files. So, and you're going to need to do this before you upload the file. So whenever you have a PDF as an example, make sure that you rename that PDF to something that's relevant, because at some point somebody's going to have to go in here and clean this stuff up, and it's hard to look at these and know exactly what they are. This is good by putting in the description kind of what it is, but it would still be much better if these were named accordingly. So once you have your new file uploaded, you go to upload file, obviously, select your folder, and then here you can put your description, browse to your file that you want to upload, and then you upload the file. So once you have your new file uploaded, what you do then is you go to Site Editor to update that content. So in this particular case, I've got to come down here to East Elementary School. Then we see the newsletter page, and then I come over here to East Elementary Newsletter, and I click on Edit. And so then what I did here is I just highlighted this. I did Control-C to copy this, and then I did Control-V to paste this news icon symbol basically over here in the March 2016. So once you have that, see now that I have this highlighted, what you're going to do is, I missed a step here, but whenever you go, whenever you upload a file, and let me just go back here real quick, the best thing to do also is to go ahead and click on this file to make sure it opens and views the way that you want it. So when I click on that, this should come up. It should load. Loading. Okay, there's the page, and I'm going to come up here to the top to the address bar. I'm going to click in the white area. I'm going to do a Control-C because I know that link works. So that file, I'm going to open up Notepad, and I'm just going to paste this file into Notepad just so that I have it as a reference. Because see right there, I just pasted that link into Notepad for keeping or safekeeping, so whenever I go to modify that, I have that URL or that link that I know that works. So I'm going to hop back over here to East Elementary School again. I'm going to go to Newsletter. I'm going to go to Edit, and once I hover over this news icon symbol here, I come up here to the hyperlink up at the top, and then what I pasted or what I copied in a Notepad, I'm going to paste that exactly the way it looks into the URL field. And then I also want you to select Target down here and select New Window. Okay, don't have it open in None or Same Window. Always select New Window, and I'll show you the reason why. Okay, so this has been updated. Once I've made all my changes, I just go down here and I click on Update. I'm going to go ahead and tell it to publish immediately. I could save a draft or I could schedule it, but I'm going to publish that immediately. So whenever I come back out to the Jackson website now, and I load that web page, district home again, or I'm sorry, schools, East Elementary School, information, newsletter, If I have Easypost open in another window, always make sure you hit F5 to update. But remember whenever I told you to open a new window, this is why. Whenever I click on this, notice how up here now, this is opening this file in a different tab. So that when a user gets done looking at this, or they did whatever they want to do, they close out of this and now they're back on to the Jackson website without actually leaving the website. So this got a little bit longer than I was hoping, but hopefully that will help you to be able to update media or content to the Jackson website. Again, please be descriptive on your file naming conventions and make sure that you're putting them in your area for your building. Thanks.